Everybody, welcome to the channel. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. Okay, well, we're gonna do the bag trick. I learned this from Fab Auto Detailing. And see if we need to do a clay bar, in which I was hoping we didn't, like I said earlier before I washed it, to try out that spray wax. But I did the bag test, and yeah, it feels like sandpaper. Yeah, it's bad. It's everywhere, even on the doors. You can feel it. It's really rough. So yes, we're gonna have to clay bar this before we put any type of wax on it, even if it's a spray wax. But if I'm gonna put a clay bar, I might as well put a sealant on it. But which one? I wanted to try out that Garrett's Garage sealant. But I didn't want to do that till close to winter. So what I might do is just clay bar it, and I have some other product that I want to test, but I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet. So let me think about that for a minute. But yes, it needs to be clay barred. It's bad, real rough. So that's a trick learned from Fab Auto right there. Use the bag trick, and it just feels like sandpaper. And you normally won't feel it with just your hand, even with that wet. You feel a little bit, but not much at all. Yeah, the bag trick really works. So yep, definitely gonna have to clay bar it. So let me figure out what I'm gonna do. So stay tuned. So I have other videos on clay barring it on the truck, the Silverado, which I no longer have the Silverado. So we'll just do overview, or if it's your first time here. And on the Jeep, we're gonna clay block it. We come with guys clay block. The foam block, it's got the clay like on top. And then works pretty good, and it's up to 20 vehicles, so we're good to go. It's gonna last you a while if you just want to do your own vehicle. And it's really easy. It is right here. It's a block, clay block. It's pretty good, and you're gonna, just like claying, using clay bar. And then what's nice with this is to clean it in between. You just put in a bucket of water, squeeze it out, and it pretty much cleans it. So what you're gonna do is put it in your bucket of water, and it pretty much cleans it. I'll add some more water, but that's it. It's perfect. Bucket of water. You can have a little bit of soap in there if you like. And that helps clean it up. And then what I like to do is, when I clay bar or clay block my vehicle, is I like to have the vehicle wet with water, or you can even after if you know you're gonna do it right when you wash it, you can leave it wet, and you don't even have to dry it. So I like to wet it down. You can even clay block your windows or clay bar, and I like to wet everything down with water, and that helps keep everything lubricated pretty well. And then you can use a detail spray. This is just Speed Wipe that I bought, and you can use any type of detail spray. It's whatever you like, actually. So you just mix it on there, just like so. Sit down and let's grab that block. It's kind of hard with one hand, and you just go back and forth. There we go. And then when we're done, we will do the bag test again, make sure everything's good. I'm just still determining what am I going to put on here. Should we just do the Garrett test now? Put it on here? I might as well. But I like to do, see? You can see where it picks some of the stuff up. Just throw that in there, drop my stuff. And let it spray. It's cloudy out. Plus, too, you're not going to want to do this in the sun. You're going to want to get the clouds out. Or if you have a garage, that'd be best. But it's nice right now. It's cloudy out. It's been raining. It cleared up, and then the sun's been down. So that's it. You can get in here real good. So push it in there. I mean, it's not going to be perfect. I was hoping I wouldn't have to do this, but what are you going to do? You can just keep going. You don't have to worry about getting any dry spots. And that's what I mean by, squirting it down with water, you're not going to get any dry spots. And it kind of saves your detail spray. So we'll have to get up there. But that's it. I'm going to continue and then figure out what we're going to use. So now I'll make a separate video on the sealant we're putting down, so the video is not too long. But anybody wants to keep their Jeep clean, 2018 Jeep Wrangler, the Mall Crawler, that's the name of it. This is how you do it. This one on the Jeep, put a little bit of cleaning and some clay block or clay, clay bar, whatever one you want, and you just wipe it off. We'll do the test, and you keep clay block until you know I want to fill up, but we're gonna let this dry, and then we'll do the bag test. I'll continue to work. You might have to hit a couple spots here and there again, but no biggie. And then we'll throw a sealant on there. It's just I have a couple of products I've been wanting to test. I want to test out that spray wax, Canuba wax from Chemical Guys, and it's got a sealant in it. It says you can use it as a standalone wax, or you can use it as your top coat after you wash your vehicles, and that would help prolong your sealant or wax that you have on your vehicle, and that's what you want. You don't want a clay bar or clay block every couple months, So, and those are the products that will help extend your sealant, all that work you've done in your vehicle. So, maybe I'll use the Garrett's and then continue to use that product, spray wax, on this vehicle, or I might try it out on a Charger, which has the Just Car on there. So we'll see. But you can see where it cleans it up. You can tell, look, it kind of looks nice and clean. Looks a lot better. I'm gonna go over another spot right here. Jeep being the way it is, it's not old. The paint's still fresh. It's still new. Hasn't been out in the environment that long. I feel I don't need to do like a polish for a paint correction. I mean, I could be wrong, but the way the paint looks, I really don't see no swirl marks in it, and I just don't see why I would need to. I mean, it's pretty shiny. It's got a nice gloss. I mean, I don't see no swirl marks in it. See, you guys can see that. So I really don't think I would need to do a polish, or correction cream or whatnot. I need to buy some anyway. Try some out. I mean, it looks pretty good. So I think I might clay bar it and then put on the sealant next video. So thanks for watching this one. You guys have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe and like so you can catch all the episodes or series 1 and 2. So I appreciate everybody watching and commenting. It means a lot. So you guys have a good one. Later. Plum crazy.